me Ishita and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and safe. So today I'm going to create this blue bold eye makeup look. It was really very fun to create this eye look, guys, and I'm super excited to share with you how I have created this look. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up to this video and also share it with your friends. If you are new to my channel, I'm Ishita. I make video on makeup, fashion, skincare, hair care, tour and travel, and also DIY from room decor. Please hit that subscription button which is in red box, and also please press that bell icon which is next to the subscription button, which will give you a notification whenever I upload a new video. So I'm super excited to start this video, so let's get started. So today I'm using this e.l.f. Poreless face primer. So I'm taking a little bit of it, one pump of it. You can use small amount of it and blend it evenly over the face. That will give you a flawless base where you can apply further makeup. So the next which I'm using is Maybelline Fit Me concealer with the shade 45. So I'm gonna apply over my acne marks and around my mouth, and then also I will blend it through my finger. I will not use any brush today. So the first thing for my eyebrow I'm using is from Essence Make Me Brow, and it has that feeling fiber, and it will give you density to your eyebrow, and the shade is dark brown. And I'm using this Nykaa palette, and I'm using this black shade, and I'm applying over my eyebrow so that it look more volumized and more dramatic. Again, I'm using the same e.l.f. gel, and I'm just brushing it like this so that it perfectly set and won't come out. So after that, I'm using this Instant Age Rewind concealer over my eyelid. What I'm going to do is I'm just applying it like that way. I'm using this fluffy brush. Today I am using this baking powder from Hard Candy. Taking a few powder from it and just try to press it here so that this concealer will set for it won't crease. So the interesting part is this one. I got this strip from Walmart, and this is for if you want to do your eye makeup perfectly lined. This strip work great on your doing eye makeup. So I'm gonna use this one. This is my first time and I'm using this as a zip. You can use it and keep it inside this one. It has a 4 strip, I think. Yeah, 4 strip. So it comes with stickers. Grab it like that way, and just place it over here. And just make sure that you're aligning it in a right way. So I'm gonna start with the Kajol. What I'm gonna do is I'm just applying over here, and I'm using this brush. This is a flat brush, and I'm just try to creating depth to my eyes. Now I'm using this NYX Mystic palette, and I'm using the same black shade. So now I'm using this dark blue shade. So today I'm using this e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow with the shade Ocean. So what I'm gonna do is just apply over here. So here I am using this glitter palette. I have purchased it from India. What I'm gonna do is I'm just taking again a brush, fluffy brush, and I'm using this color over the crease line so that everything look together. So I'm just taking it over the crease line. So now I'm using this e.l.f. H2O proof eyeliner pen to create a wing eyeliner. It's very easy to create a wing with this one. So now I'm using this Maybelline Matte Poreless foundation with the shade 312. So in my last video I have used the darker shade of this foundation. That was quite dark for my skin, that's why I have purchased this 312 shade. That shade was 332, I guess. Yeah, I think 332 only. So I'm using this pack beauty blender. I have purchased it when I was in India. I'm just using it over my hairlines so that everything looks blended. So guys, I have applied my foundation. I'll wait for 2 or 3 minutes to set it down and I will apply my mascara. So for mascara, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. So I'm back with my eyelashes. Again, I'm using this Instant Age Rewinder to brighten up my, eyes. And I'm using the same brush to blend everything perfectly. So now I'm using this fluffy brush to bake my face. For tightline my waterline, I will going to use this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. And I'm using this flat brush and I'm using the same NYX palette. I'm using this shade. Shade name is not written over here. What I'm going to do, I'm just smudging it under the lower lash line. So I'm using this one. This is little shimmery but in blue color. So I'm using the same mascara for my eyelashes. I'm just giving it little bit, not too much. So I'm using this shade to eliminate inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm doing contour part and I'm using, again this is from Essence and it has two color. I'm using this angular brush. This is again from the Professional. So I'm using this Milani blush powder with the shade 08, the rose, tea rose. I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio metallic highlighter. This is the shade with 200 metallic topaz. I'm using this brush, this flat brush, highlight my highest point of face just a little bit. So for my lips today, I'm going to Milani Color Statement Lip Liner with the shade 12. Milani More Matte Lip Color with the shade 11, Precious. It smells like chocolate. Over it, I'm using this Superstay Matte Ink Maybelline with the shade is 135. Then I'm using this spray and just spraying all over my face. So guys, one more thing I just want to tell you, like how you can subscribe. Like most of people are asking me, please let me know how to subscribe your this channel. So what you need to do is, you can see this is the red subscription button. When you open my channel, you will see this subscription button. You have to press it. If this box is in red color, it means you are not subscribed to my channel. So this is small information I provided you so that you can understand exactly how you can do subscription. So I hope it will helpful for you. I am guessing that you really like my video, and if you really, then you know what to do. You have to give a big thumbs up to this video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video, and also share it with your friends. And please follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram page and this is my Facebook page. Please follow me there, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.